My name is Diego, and I am presenting the first tool of Terra Antiqua. It is called Compile Topo Bathymetry. In this video, you will see a summary of the tool's functionality, the user interface and a dedicated page in the manual, step-by-step indications, and some final considerations and important parameters. In the Terra Antiqua YouTube channel, you can find similar videos for the other tools. They are also accessible from the manual. Compile Topo Bathymetry is a primary tool. This means it's part of the main reconstruction workflow. It's actually the first step. It is meant to prepare the DEM that you will be using for the reconstruction by compiling the different rasters you may have into a single file. Click on the icon of the tool and this dialog pops up. The text on the right will help you understand the parameters. It has detailed info about everything you see here. On the left, there is a list of the layers to compile into a single raster file with advanced parameters. If you click Help on the lower left-hand corner, you will go to the manual. This is a static website with all the documentation about Terra Antiqua and step-by-step indications for each tool. Here you have all the information about the tools, technical details, warnings, and even guiding tips. This is the page for Compile Topo Bathymetry. For the rest of the video, I will follow these step-by-step indications. Feel free to pause this video at any moment and take your time to read these paragraphs and the help text on the tool, since they are much more detailed and include some specific recommendations. It works as a complement of the help text in the tool dialog I showed before. This is the first tool you should use in the reconstruction with Terra Antiqua. Before, you have to prepare the input data with G-plates. This preliminary work is explained in this section of the manual. Here, I will use files that are ready from Terra Antiqua sample data bundle for a global 13 May reconstruction. It's available for download from the manual website. Once you've prepared all the files you need with G-plates, you can add the rotated topography and bathymetry. The polygons of the rotated continental blocks are needed to avoid artifacts due to overlapping bathymetry. For more information, check the page on the manual. Before running the tool, make sure you have checked the box in the input layer list to indicate which raster the continental blocks correspond to. Once it's all set, you can either define an output file path or use the default one, which will create a file in the temporary folder of your system. If anything goes wrong, check this log and refer to the section in the manual about troubleshooting or use the contact form to report the problem. The link is at the bottom of every page or here in contributions. This is the result. A single raster compiled from the original two files. The rim around the continents is normal. It's because we chose to avoid the overlapping between bathymetry and topography. The map is ready for the next step, setting paleoshorelines.